you'll be able to see all of the orders or all of your purchases that you've done. Now in this case, if you want to return an item, you need to just look for the item here, and from there you just need to select that item and you'll be able to see a button that says return order. Now in this case, since I haven't bought anything in this account, I am unable to see it, but whenever you look in the section here, you should be able to see the return order button in your screen. Now from there, once you click on return order, you will be asked to provide necessary details. So that includes the reason of return and other information. Now once you've provided all those details and followed the steps for you to return that item, you should just wait for your order or your return to be processed and you should be good. And that's about it. How to make money on Temu app. So in this case, if you're not familiar yet, Temu is a very popular app wherein you'll be able to buy different products and basically buy them for cheap, which is a really great thing because people like cheap products. Now in this case, we are in the Temu website here, which is temu.com, and immediately here on the homepage for Temu, we could immediately see the products that they are currently selling. Like for example, we have this massager here, which includes 1,000 reviews. So think about the revenue that they are actually bringing in into their platform here. So it means there are a lot of people who are definitely using Temu. Now in this case, how do we take advantage on that, or just basically joining in with the trend right now? So in this case, there's actually a way for us to make money on Temu without actually being a seller on it, because another way for you to earn money on Temu is just basically being a seller around Temu, but we also have the other option here, which in this case I'll be showing you later on. Now in here, let's just scroll down a bit to view the other sections here for Temu. Now Temu also offers different categories, so they have a wide range of products here like musical instruments, clothing for women, clothing for men, industrial and commercial here, and even shoes and electronics here, which gives them the capacity to cater to different age groups or different communities that is available. Now in this case, let's just scroll down a bit here until we get to the very bottom, because that's where we'll be going to. Now sometimes when you go to the very bottom here, it's going to reload itself and show other products, but once it actually ends, you should be able to see the current information here, which is the footer. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to search for a very specific keyword here, which is going to be affiliate and influencer program. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on it. So by the way, if you don't see the option here that says affiliate and influencer program, then most likely the affiliate program is not available on the current region that you've set your Temu account here. Now in this case, when you go to the very top here, you should be able to see an icon for a specific country. Now currently Temu on my end is actually set to Australia, so if you want to change that, you could go and click on change country and region, and from here choose a country that is supported by Temu affiliate. But for now, let's just go back into the affiliate program UI here. So in this case, you'll be able to earn up to 100,000 AUD or Australian dollars per month, depending on how you perform within their platform. So for now, let's go ahead and click on sign up to earn, and from here we need to log in. So in this case, I'm going to click on Google here, and I'm going to choose my Google account. So let's go ahead and choose this one. And once you've done that, let's just wait for it to load up properly, and you should be able to see the main UI for your affiliate program. Now, also when you first open this up, you'll be able to see their policy here. So I do recommend that you read through all of this one before accepting, for you to be able to protect yourself if you find something that you do not agree on. So that actually applies on any platform that you apply to, but